Hello, this overview lists the important features of content import in BMC Remedy Smart Reporting. In BMC Remedy Smart Reporting 9.1, content import and user onboarding run as separate processes. This enables you to just import new or upgraded out-of-the-box reporting content when you install or upgrade any BMC Remedy applications. You need not onboard users or import unchanged content again. Content import has the following features. It imports out-of-the-box reporting content such as reports and dashboards from BMC Remedy AR System Server to BMC Remedy Smart Reporting Server. The process imports fresh and upgraded content for all installed BMC Remedy applications such as BMC Remedy ITSM, BMC Atrium CMDB, BMC HR Case Management, and so on. Let's understand how content import works. When any BMC Remedy application is installed or upgraded in your environment, the application pushes fresh or upgraded content to a specific AR system form. When you run the content import process, it imports this content from the AR system form to BMC Remedy Smart Reporting Server. If you install or upgrade an application after importing the content for the first time, you can manually trigger the process again. The process imports content from only newly installed or upgraded applications, excluding applications for which you imported content earlier. For example, suppose you are upgrading BMC Remedy applications from version 9.0 to version 9.1. In version 9.0, you had BMC Atrium CMDB and BMC Remedy ITSM. Let's suppose that while upgrading to version 9.1, you also installed a new application, BMC HR Case Management. When you run the content import process, it imports fresh content for BMC HR Case Management and upgrades the content for BMC Atrium CMDB and BMC Remedy ITSM. If you upgrade an application and run content import, it overrides the existing content that was imported during the previous installation. Similarly, if you directly customize out-of-the-box content and run content import, it overrides the customized content. However, if you create a copy of out-of-the-box content and customize the copy, content import does not override the customized copy. You must manually reconcile any customizations. We saw how content import in BMC Remedy Smart Reporting works. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit docs.bmc.com.